2 billion. I want you to let that number just sink in for a second. That is the number of active monthly users currently spending their precious time on YouTube. It's literally the second most visited website on the entire planet. So if you've been wondering where the ultimate platform for brand growth and awareness is hiding, well, you're looking right at it. Millions of people out there flat out prefer interacting with video content over reading text, making this an absolute powerhouse for reaching a massive audience and, ultimately, boosting your sales.
So how do we actually tap into that massive ocean of eyeballs? Today, we are distilling a really fantastic blueprint. It's the YouTube Marketing for Beginners Guide. We're going to take the whole shebang, everything inside this comprehensive source, and translate it into a clear, highly visual explainer format for you. Consider this your complete step-by-step guide to dominating the platform, covering everything from the very first setup clicks all the way to a highly profitable marketing strategy.
Welcome to the Explainer. Man, I am so incredibly excited to guide you through this material today. Whether you're starting with a completely blank slate or you've got a channel that's just kind of stalling out, it is high time we fix that. We are going to take you from zero to hero, equipping you with the exact strategies you need to build real authority and actually hit those financial goals.
All right, here is our clear roadmap for today. We'll kick things off by setting up your brand. Next, we'll dive into getting more video views, and then turning viewers into subscribers. After that, we're mastering YouTube SEO. And finally, we'll wrap up with the best part, monetizing your channel.
Okay, let's dive right into Section 1, Setting Up Your Brand. This is all about building a rock-solid foundation.
Now, you might be tempted to just use your personal Google account for your business channel, but you will hit a brick wall so quickly if you do. With a personal account, you won't be able to properly customize it, you absolutely cannot add team managers, and you completely miss out on the deep, advanced analytics. A brand account, on the other hand, it unlocks all of those pro features. Honestly, it's totally non-negotiable if you want to run this like a real business.
Setting it up is actually super simple. Let's walk through the exact clicks. First, just log in with your existing Google account. Click on your profile, select My Channel, and then hit Create a New Channel. Pop in your brand name, hit Create, and boom, you're live. From there, you can hop into Settings, click Add or Remove Managers, and invite your team members using their Google accounts, so they can get in there and help you with the workload.
Okay, so the shell is created. Now you need to make it look great. Your channel layout is crucial because it helps visitors instantly decide if they want to stick around. Definitely use YouTube's channel art templates to make sure your cover photo looks responsive and clean on phones, tablets, and desktops. Drop your company email and site links into the About page. And this is a huge one. Use progressive playlists. Group your videos logically, like Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, so viewers just naturally binge right through them.
With our foundation poured, let's transition into Section 2, Getting More Video Views. We're shifting focus to the psychology of the click here.
To earn that coveted click, visual structure is everything. You've got to use custom thumbnails, ideally with a unique, consistent pop of color so people recognize your stuff instantly in their feed. And guys, please, no clickbait. Your video has to deliver exactly what the thumbnail promises. Once they're watching, use timestamps so they can skip around easily. Oh, and here's a massive insider tip. The algorithm absolutely loves long-form content. Try to get at least one deep dive video on your channel that's 15, 30, or even 60 minutes long, packed with good data to really hold their attention.
Now I want you to burn this number into your brain. 4. When you're writing out your video description, you want to naturally drop your main target keyword exactly 4 times. The source guide stresses this rule specifically. Mention it 4 times, no more, no less. This perfectly optimizes your description for the search engine without crossing the line into annoying spammy keyword stuffing.
Awesome. Let's see how this momentum builds into Section 3, turning viewers into subscribers, unlocking that loyal, recurring community.
How do you turn a casual scroller into a diehard fan? You have to build a relationship. First things first, add closed captions to engage non-native speakers and anyone watching with the sound off. Next, set up a snappy channel trailer that auto-plays for unsubscribed visitors to give them a quick taste of your brand. And you've got to talk back. Respond to comments, hit that like button when they leave a good point, and ask them questions. To grow even faster, embed your videos over on LinkedIn or Facebook, and try going live for some fun, interactive Q&A sessions.
You know, sometimes the most effective tactic is also the most obvious. You literally just have to ask. Make it a habit to explicitly ask for a subscription at the end of every single video. But here's the catch. You have to tell them why they should. Highlight the benefits. Tell them they'll stay up to date on new releases or get first dibs on exciting offers. Give them a reason to click it.
All right, Now we're getting into the slightly more technical side of growth with Section 4, Mastering YouTube SEO. This is how you feed the algorithm to get discovered.
If you're new to the acronym, don't sweat it. YouTube SEO simply means optimizing your video's title, description, subtitles, and tags so the search engine knows exactly what on earth your video is about. When you optimize this stuff correctly, your videos get pushed way higher in the search results, which means a massive boost to your visibility.
To master this, start by digging into your YouTube search report to find the exact specific phrases people are typing in to find you. Within the video itself, use playlist cards and end screens to inspire them to keep watching your other stuff. But listen, the absolute most critical metric is watch time, and that battle is won or lost instantly. You have exactly 10 to 20 seconds at the start of your video to hook them. You have to get straight to the point and deliver on your title's promise immediately, or they're gone.
Now, you definitely don't have to do all this manual labor yourself. The source guide highly recommends leaning on professional tools to speed things up. Grab Canva to easily design those custom thumbnails. Use SEMrush, Ahrefs Keyword Explorer, or Google Search Console to do the heavy lifting for your keyword research. And then use platforms like Hootsuite, BuzzSumo, or HubSpot to streamline your whole marketing workflow and schedule your social media posts.
Okay, we've finally reached the big payoff. Section 5, monetizing your channel. You've done the work, you've optimized the SEO, now let's talk about getting paid.
To get into the official YouTube Partner Program and start running ads on your videos, there is a very specific threshold you have to cross: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. It takes work, but once you cross that magical line, you start earning a cut every time a viewer clicks on or watches an ad.
But hey, ad revenue is just the tip of the iceberg. The guide actually outlines 5 distinct ways to generate income. First, you can sell your own products or services directly to your audience. Second, as we just mentioned, is the partner program for ad revenue. Third, you can become an affiliate marketer. Fourth, you can run your own paid ad campaigns to turn viewers into actual customers. And fifth, you can tap into crowdfunding by adding a sponsor button or offering exclusive perks to your biggest supporters. I really want to pause and highlight affiliate marketing for a second, because the potential here is incredible. If you're honest and you transparently review products that actually fit your niche, your audience will gladly use your affiliate links in the description. The guide specifically notes you can easily make an extra $1,000 or more a month just through transparent affiliate marketing alone, assuming it's something your audience genuinely needs. Wow! We have covered the entire blueprint today, from a totally blank brand account all the way to a fully monetized machine. You know exactly how to design a great layout, hook your viewers in the first 10 seconds, master your keywords, and drive real revenue. Those 2 billion users on YouTube, they are literally just waiting for your unique perspective. So I want you to take everything you've learned here, sit down, and answer this one final question for me. What is your first video going to be about?